Hi everyone, welcome to my travel blog to Istanbul. In this blog, we will be visiting the Sultan Ahmed Mosque, otherwise famously known as the Blue Mosque. Please support my channel, do watch the full blog, like, comment and subscribe, and turn the notification button on so you can receive notification for future blogs. Two mesmerizing landmarks sits on either side of Sultan Ahmed Park in Istanbul. Hagia Sophia dominates the skyline with its red walls and minarets. It was originally built in 360 AD, and on the opposite side sits the Sultan Ahmed Mosque, otherwise known as the Blue Mosque. It is an Ottoman-era mosque located in Istanbul, Turkey. The construction of Sultan Ahmed Mosque was ordered by the young Sultan Ahmed I, who at the age of 19 decided to build this very impressive grand mosque. It was constructed between 1609 and 1616. To date, it is still an active place of worship, attracting large number of tourist visitors. The Sultan Ahmed Mosque has 5 main domes, 6 minarets and 8 secondary domes. The architecture and design is the culmination of 2 centuries of Ottoman mosque development.
Beautiful.
It incorporates many Byzantine elements of the neighboring Hagia Sophia with traditional Islamic architecture, and is considered to be the last great mosque of the classic period. Inside the mosque, the upper area is decorated with approximately 20,000 hand-painted glazed ceramic in 60 different tulip patterns. The decorations inside the mosque also include verses from the Quran, many of them made by Sayyid Qasim Gabari, who is regarded as the greatest calligrapher of his time. The lower stories of the mosque are illuminated by 200 stained glass windows. The mosque has a forecourt with a large fountain and special area for ablution. The floors are covered with royal red patterned carpet. When you go inside the mosque, the experience is absolutely breathtaking. Please do continue watching till the end. You will see some mesmerizing views from the famous bridge of Istanbul, overlooking the magnificent landscape with the beautiful mosque towering over the striking views.
Other side is pray.
Okay.
Visitors. And here has name for ladies.
People can go upstairs.
All mosque is for lake.
Yeah.
And for
Okay.
hands. Maybe take a photo.
Thank you for watching. Please do like, comment and subscribe to my channel. Until next time, take care. Bye bye.